So this question, I'm going to use the strategy translate word problem, TWP. Really, I use this strategy for any question that's 4 or more lines long, and all it means is that I want to translate the information that I'm reading as I come across it instead of waiting till after the end of reading the entire passage or entire word problem and then needing to go back and capture that information. So the first sentence here says a bag contains 8 red marbles. I'm gonna just write this down. So in my bag, I have 8 red and I have 9 yellow and 7 green, right? So green is 7. How many additional red marbles must be added to the 24 marbles already in the bag? So this is obviously 24 total. And we're asking how many more should I add up here in the red category so that the probability of randomly drawing a red marble is 3/5. So on this test, anytime I see this word probability, I am going to think, hey, probability, I'll just say prob, represents a fraction where the numerator is what I want and the denominator is what I have, right? Or another way to think about what I have is what am I choosing from? So again, how many additional red marbles must be added to the 24 marbles already in the bag so that the probability of randomly drawing a red marble, so what do I want? I want to draw a red marble. How many red marbles will I have? Well, I have the 8 plus the additional X, right? The unknown amount that I'm adding. What do I have? What am I choosing from out of this bag? Well, the bag has 24 to start off with, but I'm also adding, right, this additional X, red, right? So that will also impact the total number of marbles I have in the bag. And we're told that this probability should be equal to or is 3/5. So I'm going to just say equals 3/5. The ratio, right, the probability of choosing a red marble should be equal to 3/5. So at this stage, I have a proportion, so I can solve this proportion, right? This is the translation of the question here. This 3/5 equals 8 plus x over 24 plus x. So I can solve this proportion by cross multiplication. And I can distribute the 5 across here, give me 40 plus 5x equals 72 plus 3x. I can then combine like terms. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides and subtract 40 from both sides so that my 40s cross out here. And I have 5x minus 3x is 2x. And I have that's equal to 32. And then dividing both sides by 2, I end up with x equals 16, which tells you that there must be 16 additional red marbles and that our answer is choice B.